Two?
Why would they be?
I don't know. Look at that puppy.
But I just realized, like,
Here, puppy, go up to the grandma. Go up to the grandma.
Oh, you're cute.
they're gonna wake up in the middle.
You're cute. Come here. This is it, right? This is Teddy.
Yep.
Hey, come here. This one over here.
Yeah, we're second. How did you said that? Callie said
Play with this one.
She's just like cuddled with him. We don't let him sleep in the bed.
Well, we went in the next room to learn that, but since we're in one room, and there's no place to
This one's called Teddy.
I think they'll let us sleep on the floor.
He wants to run away.
Do you guys want to borrow a little kennel?
Well, we have like a really huge. Picture of it, huh?
Yeah.
That would be special.
Well, I guess we could keep this one. That's funny. Hey, we're gonna keep a puppy.
What do you think about
that
keeping
puppy.
This puppy is love cute. This one. This puppy.
So?
We named him Teddy. Does that seem like a good name?
This puppy licks
Yeah,
us.
that's perfect.
Okay, we'll keep him.
Yeah.
We talked to Papa Moga last
Talked to
night,
them
and they
last night
said
and
yes.
yes.
So
Is that a prize?
Yeah.
that was a surprise that we were
Can you keep
pretending.
them good? You're gonna have to watch them careful not to ruin things.
What do you think of that, Claire?
Gotta watch them careful.
Give me mine.
Yeah.
Whoa, how much more? Bubba's grandma.
Let's do it.
How much
Yeah,
puppies do
Lily.
we have to
Do you think
buy?
Lily will be just one?
We're gonna keep a puppy.
We only have to pay for one.
Just one puppy.
No, we have to
Can't
pay
have
for
a bunch.
4. We have to pay for 4, but we're gonna only keep one.
And Lily will like the wrestle with the puppy. Lily's going to love the puppy. Always keep it in my room. And I'm not going to let anyone sleep with it.
You're so crazy.
Because I love you.
That's the one.
But I know, but you need this at nighttime for your puppy. I know you guys.
I don't want to. If we bought the black one, I would not want it to sleep with me every night because maybe it would bite me in the middle of the night. Please, let me fight biting.
Oh, if it gets away, we can't keep it. Just kidding.
So, yeah, I mean, if we, I don't.
Doesn't care. She doesn't know what's going on.